Welcome guys to today's part of the video. In today's video I will be showing you the interface of Corel Draw, how to use the tools. We will be discussing the tools on Corel Draw. So all we have to do is to launch our Corel Draw package, double click on it and it will open. Wait for it to open. Okay, each time you open the Corel Draw, you will always see something of this nature. Always remember to click on new document. Then if you move down, you see open recent works. Open recent. All these things are works that has been done recently. Then these ones are templates. So since we want to start our own design, we are going to click on new to open up a new space, a new sheet for us. So we'll be discussing these tools. We'll be discussing these tools in today's class, telling you what these tools are. So firstly, we start with this. This is the pick tool. Here you drop tools. Let's say I picked this tool, used it here, and I want to move this rectangle around. I can't move it if I did not drop this tool here. I'll have to drop it here before I can be able to move this around. So that is the work of this one. Then here, this one is called the shape tool. Okay, let me still pick this rectangular shape. This shape tool helps you to do so many things. Let's say for instance, if I want to have this rectangle curved, I will just hold here, click it using that shape tool and curve this rectangular shape. If I want to carve the shape into another thing, okay, let me take it back. Let's say I want to carve. I will keep my tool on any of these places. Can either keep it here or in any other place, and right click. You will see convert to curve. Click on it, convert to curve. Then I can convert this shape now into a different thing. Just watch me do it. So have you seen it? This very tool here is very important. So we use it in manipulating many things. You get to know more when we start our training on it. So this one now is the crop tool. We use it in cropping to crop things out. Then this one is the zoom, very easy to use. Just click and drag, then have it zoomed out. This one is freehand tool. We use it to draw. You can draw anything. So that is the work of that. And many others. This one we've talked about this. Then this, we get our circle. Then this one is the polygon. We'll just get it, draw it here. This is the polygon shape. And this is the most important of all this. This is the text shape here. For you to be able to write on Corel Draw, you should pick this text. We can type anything now till infinity. So let me delete all this. Delete. So we still have another one. This one is the parallel diminution tool. We'll be using this tool while we are doing some work, so you get to know some of them. Then this one is the straight line connector tool. We use it to connect something, to connect one line to another. Then this one now is the drop shadow. Okay, let me get this. Let's do a little practical. Let me give it a color. Okay, let me give it ash color. I want to give this rectangular shape a shadow. So I'll just come here, pick it up and click on it. Have you seen it? I can decide to change the color. No. First you need to break it to change the color. If you carry it, it is together now, so you need to ungroup it. Ctrl K. So they are all different. Now I can now change the color of this to anything I feel like. So that is that. The next one is the transparency tool. Okay, let me still get. Okay, let me get this. Or let me bring in an image. Let me get this. Bring in an image from desktop. Let me bring in this image. I will copy. Open my Corel Draw. Bring in the image. Paste. You can use your Ctrl V. It is here. Let me show you how that transparency tool works. I will be using it now. So I'll click on this, come to this transparency tool, click on it, come here. This one is uniform transparency. Can you see it? This one is fountain transparency, and the rest of them. I can come here. We still have these ones like dark and so many other. You can decide to use any one, or I can even blur it. And start to blur it. Okay, there are so many actions on the background. For me to be able to blur it, I will have to remove these actions, then blur it before putting up all this. So but all I want you to know is the work of this transparency. You make it fainty. It makes something to look fainty, to be more deep. So this one is the color I drop to. This color, you use it to pick a color. Let's say I want to pick this particular color here to represent, to put, okay, let me just show you something. Let's do it practical. I'll just pick this. Can you see it? I copied exactly this color. Okay, let me still copy another one. I want exactly this color. This one. I'll put it here. So that is the work of this. Then this one is the interactive fill tool. It's all about the colors and textures and every other thing. So this one is the smart fill. So we'll be talking more on this when we start officially. Okay, so they are not hard, very easy to use. So these are the interface. We just discussed it now. I will see you in the next video.